Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video I will take a look at how to create a dynamic off canvas for postcards. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The basic scenario for this feature is when you want to display additional info that would be too big for a postcard but want to make sure the user stays on the same page. Enter an off canvas, triggered by the postcard element and pulling dynamic data into the off canvas as it opens. The classic scenario for this feature would perhaps be a WooCommerce quick view, but it could be used in many other ways. Let's have a look at an example. I've imported the programmer pre-built here, and on the project page there is a postcards element which displays the latest projects. Currently they link to the individual project posts, but this is an example of where we could display the project info without users leaving the page. The first step is making the off canvas. I've got an off canvas here that I have styled as I wanted, and I've added a few static titles and the rest of the content is dynamic. This is pulling the project information, such as the project category, the project title, the featured image, the excerpt, and a bunch of ACF repeaters. The data you add to your off canvas will be different of course, but the key point here is that it needs to be dynamic, pulling the required info from the post type your postcards are displaying. For a WooCommerce quick view, for example, this would be things like the title and description, the product image, and the price, etc. Just be sure not to add a postcard into your off canvas, as a postcard within a postcard won't work. Okay, so now my off canvas is done, I need to edit the postcards element. So I will just edit this, and under the link off canvas option, I will select my recently made off canvas. And now I have to edit the postcard itself, as I'm going to use the button on the postcard to trigger the off canvas. I'll just remove this link, and instead I will choose dynamic data, select open off canvas, and again choose my off canvas. I also noticed that this postcard has a permalink option on the column link URL field, so I will also remove that so that the button is the only link. Okay, so now I will save my postcard and the projects page with the postcards element on it, and come to the front end. There's our projects, and now if I click on the button, the off canvas opens, dynamically pulling the project content. In this way I can look at all the projects without even leaving the page. As I mentioned, this would also work well for WooCommerce product quick views and many other examples. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.